this part, it's just me clicking away the tabs so you can see the full screen. Adding the play button took me an hour since it's my first time adding a button in Roblox Studios. Here's the result for now. Era, let's move on to the lobby now. While I was doing the buttons, at Ultimate Server _Games started the lobby. It looks really good for the first day of production, and the game there will be custom lobby music made by @Ultimate Server _Music. So I'm gonna unmute the audio for a second.
He also added the size for the pets.
Over here I'm working on adding the pet posters, but it's bugging out a little bit. This is a stage area for decoration, but right now something's not anchored, so they're on the ground. Week 1 has been completed.